Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss encoder in digital electronics. It is a kind of electronic circuit which transforms the information into coded language, say bits 1011. It works as opposite to decoder. I have made another video on decoder. You can visit it on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will see definition of working of encoder, logic diagram, and at last I will see its construction on breadboard using IC. First, see its definition. It is a digital circuit which takes input from different lines and gives coded information representing specific input line. To understand, let we have a simple kind of encoder with 4 input lines and 2 output lines. For the case of encoder, note that we are restricted to give information from exactly and only one input line, and this information is then converted into code and it appears on output lines O0 and O1. If I want to give information, let's see A2, then A2 will become active and remaining input lines uh, will remain inactive, and the input information from A2 is then converted into code. Here I have made a different combination of codes, and I want that if A1 appears on input lines and uh, and I want that active level of A1 is represented as 0 0 at output, or A2 for A2 I want that output is 0 1, and similarly for A3 and A4. Next we can see that O node is only active when A2 and A4 are active. So whenever A2 is active, O node will be active, and if A4 is active, O node will be active. So we can represent this logic as O naught is equal to A2 plus A4. Here plus represents OR gate operation. So if either of A2 or A4 are active, O naught will be active. And similarly, we can see that O1 is active when A3 is active, and it is also 1 when A4 is 1. So O1 is also a output from OR gate of A3 and A4. Therefore, I have made a logic diagram for the encoder. Here A1 will remain idle, and it is connected to ground because A1 has code 0 0, and if we do not give any of information at A2 to F4, both output lines are at 0 0 level. So therefore A1 is not included in this logic diagram, And next we will see how to construct this on breadboard. To construct encoder which we mentioned, we will use IC 7432 because it is IC for OR gate. Next, we will assume that the uppermost line of the breadboard is at high voltage and lowermost line of the breadboard is at low voltage, and VCC of the IC is connected to high voltage and ground of the IC to low voltage. Here, this line is ground and this line will be connected to VCC of the IC. Next, I have made connection here. A1 as was shown in the logic diagram. It was not connected to any gate, so it will remain idle. A2 will be connected to first line, A4 will be connected to second, A3 will be connected to fifth line of the IC. Here green line with red dot represents LEDs. This LED is O0 and this LED represents O1, and I have made a connection between second and fourth line of the IC. So you can make this circuit on your breadboard. Please share your result in comment section, and if you face any difficulty you can ask. I would be delighted to help you out. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to channel.